Hi guys, so today we are turning up the heat and the crunch with a takeout favorite that's even better homemade, crispy chili beef. Get ready for an explosion of flavor and texture. We are talking crispy, melt in your mouth beef coated in a sweet, spicy and tangy sauce that will have you coming back for more. This dish is guaranteed crowd pleaser and perfect for a weeknight dinner or a weekend feast. Forget ordering in. I'm going to show you how to make this restaurant quality dish right in your own kitchen. I'll guide you through every step from preparing the beef to achieving that perfect crispy coating and that irresistible sauce. So grab your wok, your chilies and get ready to create a crispy chili beef that's better than your favorite takeout. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious and exciting recipes. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 1.25 kg beef cut in strips. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 whole eggs, 6 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 3 tablespoon cooking oil. Then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil and then simply fry the beef strips. Make sure that you fry the strips one at a time. Also try not to stick them together and make sure you leave some gap in between each other. Then fry it until it is nice and crispy and golden brown. Make sure the flame is on medium and not too high. So as you can see that the beef is cooked perfectly on one side. And it has got a nice golden brown color. Similar way, fry it on the other side. Do the same to all the remaining beef strips. So as you can see that I have fried all the beef strips and it is super crispy and perfectly cooked. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 onions sliced, 4 green chilies and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 7 dry red chilies and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. Then add 3 tablespoon dark soya sauce, 3 tablespoon rice vinegar, 6 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 4 tablespoon sugar, 4 tablespoon sweet chili sauce, 1 stock cube and cook it until the sauce is nice and thick. As you can see that the sauce is nice and thick now. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply add the fried beef and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes in the sauce. Until the sauce is nicely coated with the beef. Then add half tablespoon white sesame seeds and then cook it for about 2 minutes. So the crispy chili beef is ready. And there you have it guys, a crispy, spicy and utterly delicious crispy chili beef. I hope you enjoyed making this takeout favorite with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your dish turned out. Please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exciting and flavorful recipes. I hope you and your loved ones enjoy this crispy chili beef as much as I do. It's a dish that's perfect for satisfying those craving for something crunchy, sweet and spicy. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and share this deliciousness with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.